If you want to know how to use a Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and sign up with your own account, okay? And you're gonna enter your email, your password, and you're gonna select that type of content. And if you haven't downloaded Bluesky, please go to your App Store or Google Play, then just type Bluesky. And if you have downloaded already, make sure to double check if there is any new update, all right? So now you're gonna open up the Bluesky. And after you created your account and everything, you're gonna customize your profile. Click the three bars at the top left and go ahead and click your name, and you're gonna be able right here to see your posts, replies, media, likes, feeds, and starter packs and list. And you're gonna be able to edit your profile so you can add your display name, your header, and your description to talk more about yourself. All right, and if you want to post, you're gonna be able to post like Twitter. Click the pencil and you're gonna be able to post whatever you want, right? You can add media like photos, videos, camera, and GIFs, and you can limit your post to to people who want if you want to limit the post to certain people like your followers or nobody or follows users, you can just go ahead and adjust the settings. And here you're gonna see the English. You could change the language, right, to post in Arabic, right, if your native language is Arabic, and you can type right here in Arabic. All right, if you want to use English, you can just use English, and you can write up to 300 words. Another feature, you can follow other people, right? Just like Twitter, you're gonna go ahead to other users and you're gonna click follow at the top right. You're gonna be able to follow the other users, right? And you're gonna be able to engage with content. You can retweet, of course, and quote post like Twitter, and you can add. You can click the like button, right, to add it to your liked tweets or liked Bluesky tweets. All right, and you can engage with content, right? You can go ahead and start posting yourself and add hashtags to explore trending topics as well. By clicking right here the search bar at the bottom, you can just type right here in the search hashtag something something, right? And you can explore the decentralized features. Bluesky allows customization through personalized feeds and decentralized structure. So keep an eye out for future updates in settings. So decentralized structure, so you can basically customize, allows you basically you're gonna be allowed to customize through personalized feeds, and that's it. Enjoy connecting with the growing Bluesky community. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.